This YouTube channel is earning a substantial amount of money by creating very minimalistic children's learning videos. They are just simple 2D animations, and some of their most viral videos have over 50 million views and counted. If we go to Social Blade and check the stats on this channel, they have almost 2.8 million subscribers, over 26 million views in the last 30 days, and an estimated monthly earning of between $6,000 and $105,000. But don't worry, today I'm going to show you how you can also create diamonds like this in under 20 minutes, of course, with the help of AI tools. Before we dive into today's content, take a moment to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon. The first thing we're going to do is head over to iparm.com. This is a Chrome extension for ChatGPT that you can install into your Chrome browser. So then we're going to go to ChatQBT, and what you're going to notice now is that you can use the script function. So we're going to ask ChatGPT to create a children's script for us for a show about animals. There must be at least 3 animals to explore, and ChatGPT is going to do a great job of giving me the script. What I'm going to do next is I'm just going to copy this over onto a Word document because that's going to be a lot easier for me to use. Then I'm going over to 11labs.io for our voiceovers, and the cool thing about it is if we go to Voice Lab, we can go and find the kind of voice that we would need for this children's show. If we go to Voice Library, it's going to provide us a whole lot of choices here. We want something that fits the childish kind of theme. So let's look at some of the options here. The only thing to do with good advice is to pass it on. It is never of any use to oneself.
Kindness is more important than wisdom, and the recognition of this is the beginning of wisdom.
Life without love is like a tree without blossoms or fruit.
Once you find one that you like, you can then save it. If you head back to your main page, your speech synthesis page, you'll be able to, in the drop-down menu, choose the one. Next, we are going to change the settings, just make sure we're happy with them, the kind of voice that we're looking for. Then after that, we're going to input the first piece. Now we're going to go piece by piece, chapter by chapter. Because we need about 5 scenes for our story. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put in the first piece and let's listen to how that sounds.
Welcome to Animal Adventure Time. I'm Miriam, and today we're going on an exciting journey to explore 3 fascinating animals. Are you ready for some animal magic?
Once we're happy with that, we can go ahead and download it, and I'm just going to rename each piece, and then I'm going to do the same thing for each other scene that I have created here. After that, we're going to go to adobe.com/express. And this is the Adobe Express page. Now the cool thing about it is everything we need to create our character is going to be right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down a little bit in the video functions. We're going to look for quick actions, and you'll see this animate from audio function over here. So we're going to click on that. First thing we need to do is change the background color. We need a green screen background, and then we have a whole lot of different characters that we can play around with here, some really interesting characters for our animation. Once you find one that you like, we're going to go ahead and choose Tull, and you're going to see over here it has the browse function. We're going to put in our first scene over here, and in a moment, it's going to produce it. Let's see how that sounds.
Hello. Welcome to Animal Adventure Time. I'm Neha, and today, we're going on an exciting journey to explore 3 fascinating animals. Are you ready for some animal magic? Let's dive in.
Wow, that's actually pretty cool. So we're going to go ahead and do the same thing for each one of our scenes. Then after that, we're going to go to canva.com. So now that we're in Canva, you're going to go to the video functions. You're going to look for the video landscape function, and we're going to go to elements here. And now we're going to look for a background. So I'm going to look for a cartoon background classroom. If you have Canva Pro, you'll have access to the Pro images. If not, that's okay. You'll find something that you can work with. So now that we've created this is a simple, clean background for what we need to start our video off with our character. First thing we need to do is have a look at the time frames for each one of our videos. So if you look at your videos, it'll give you the time. Now we need to match up the setting to be exactly the same time frame. So the first one is going to be 15 seconds, great stuff. Then I want to show you what Canva can do in terms of just creating really cool fun animated backgrounds. Our next scene is going to be about Iceland, where snowy environment is going to be. So we're going to look for some birds to put into our image. Now I've tried this first one, not great. But let's go in to see if there's others. Bird formation, flying and flying. If we go to animate, we can actually create a kind of track for this animation to follow. And if you just move it, click on it, move it, that's what's going to happen in your picture. You can decide if you want it to be original, smooth, or steady. Smooth just means it's going to smooth a motion. We can also slow down the speed. So this is where Canva is incredible. Let's go ahead and add a few more details in. Let's look for our penguins. So we're going to put our penguins into the picture. Maybe play around with the animations, or even if we just wanted to keep still, that's fine. And now we're going to do the same thing for the rest of our scenes. Canva is blowing me away with its functionality right now. Once we've created our scenes, we've made sure that we've adjusted the length to be exactly the same length as our audio. The next thing we're going to do is go over to Camtasia, and don't worry, all the links will be in the description below. And what you're going to do is you're going to go and download it for either your Mac or for your Windows PC. Once you've done that and you've set up your account, this is going to be your dashboard. So we're going to import all the information, great stuff. So once we've done that, we are going to take our first clip. We're going to apply it there, and then we're going to take our character, and we're going to put it right over the top. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to access the chroma key function. Your green screen will disappear. And now we can play around with exactly where we need this character. And then you'll see it fits in beautifully. Once we're happy with everything, we can go ahead and export it. Now we can upload it directly to YouTube by putting in those details and adding a thumbnail. Or we can save it to our computers as well. So we can add a general description. We're going to save it, and let's have a listen to what it's created.
Hello. Welcome to Animal Adventure Time. I'm Neha, and today, we're going on an exciting journey to explore 3 fascinating animals. Are you ready for some animal magic? Let's dive in. Segment 1, Meet the Playful Penguins. Our first stop takes us to the icy wonderland, where we'll meet the cutest creatures ever, penguins. Penguins are amazing birds that love to waddle and slide on the snow. Watch how they move gracefully in their natural habitat. Aren't they adorable? Penguins are excellent swimmers, and they spend a lot of time in the water hunting for delicious fish. Let's learn more about their cool lifestyle.
That is actually pretty cool. I'm going to show you here. If we look at 11 Labs pricing, you're looking at currently $11 per month for over 30,000 characters, but 10,000 characters per month for free forever, which is more than enough for what we need for our animations. Then Aprom has a prompt library for ChatGPT. It's kind of pricey, but you can get away with the free version with plenty of functionality. And then Adobe Express, you're looking at, wow, this is a great tool, and at $10 a month. You have access to those animations and a whole lot of other things that Adobe is going to give you. So wow, it's very cool. Then we have Canva, which you're looking at about under $10 a month for the amazing things that Canva can do. We hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest videos.